Cardiff and Bangor, we're now monitoring the inlet of about 17 of our sewage works, which covers something like 75% of the population of Wales, looking for the prevalence of COVID-19 in the sewage, which gives a fantastic heads up, really, to Public Health Wales on understanding where the disease is and the prevalence of the disease in the various catchments. Collaboration brings the strengths of all the various players together, wherever it happens to be. It might be legal, might be regulatory, might be scientific, might be technological, all sorts of different strengths that we bring to the party. In bringing those strengths together, particularly the academic and commercial together, when we bring those together, we can really do innovative science as we are here and offer fantastic value to both our customers and our government, really, in terms of giving them early warning as to where the disease is in Wales. And we very much look forward to continuing to work in partnership with all of our partners, whether they be universities, environmental NGOs, local groups, whoever, because that really works for us in Wales and consistently provides fantastic value in terms of outcomes.